So international cricket of this level is coming to go after a long time. So how are you looking at this tournament?
See, first of all, I'm very happy that this tournament has come to Goa, particularly on this ground 1919. As you know, none other than India's captain Surya Kumar, he had inaugurated this ground, and I'm also equally pleased because it belongs to my own Sarpanch, my very own close friend. What is important is sometimes people need to know the cricketers of yesteryears, how they were able to bring the stage on fire, the cricketing world on fire. We have always had talent as cricketers. We are number one in the world. So, in this part of India, in beautiful state of Goa, as you know, I always say Goa is a brand name. Anything happening here, it multiplies itself several times. So, professional cricket of the legends happening here is a very noteworthy thing. It is something which will only increase the interest in cricket because it is happening in Goa, and I am very happy for that matter. People have worked hard to reach the level that they had reached in yesteryears. Our cricketers will be playing here. They are legends in their country. They are legends for the cricketing world. So therefore, whatever skills they will be showing even now, one gets a glimpse into what was happening even earlier during their cricketing young days. So I think that is a very healthy thing to happen, and I am happy that the youth of Goa, the youth of the country, through television and other medium, will come to know that these legends were playing in Goa. Oh, we also would love to be cricketers. As you know, in our country, cricket is like a religion. It transcends all levels. So it is heartening that this very tournament is taking place here. That too, as I said, on 1919 ground, and which I think is a very good thing happening as far as Goa is concerned. Goa that way is a events place. Every time you have some event happening on a day. Sometimes you have 2-3 events happening, like internationally acclaimed International Film Festival of India. Recently we had the exposition of the relics of St. Francis Xavier, again an international event which takes place every 10 years. Then you have so many shows also taking place, and in that manner it is really means nice that this professional league of the legends is taking place here.
So one more question is that Goa is the only state in the country which does not have its own cricket stadium. So what is the current status, and when can we expect that work can start on the new stadium?
I think I also have been waiting when they will resolve whatever nitty-gritties are there so that they start building the stadium. First thing is they are not able to decide the venue, and that itself is creating its own problems. I think it's high time that they get together because, as you know, BCCI is always willing to give the funds. Last time they had allocated, but for purposes of not deciding where is going to be the venue is becoming a problem. But I think we'll achieve it sooner than expected.
Thank you.
Yeah.